So in this question we're given if z is a complex number of unit modulus and argument theta. तो हमें given क्या है? Let us write given, since it is unit modulus, so modulus of z equals to 1, और जो है कि argument z equals to theta. We can write z equals to modulus z e to the power I theta, which is e to the power I theta because modulus z is 1. Now z bar is equals to e to the power minus I theta. So z bar equals to 1 by z. This we got because z into z bar equals to mod z whole square. This is equals to 1. From here we got this. Now हमें निकालना है, what we have to find out is argument of 1 plus z by 1 minus z bar. Now it can be written as argument of 1 plus z and 1 minus 1 by z. We were given plus over here, so plus. So this can be written as argument of 1 plus z into z by 1 plus z. This gets cancelled. This is argument of z, and is given in the question argument of z equals to theta. So the correct answer to this question is option C. Option C, theta is the correct answer.